Experiencing monitor detection problems with your StarTech docking station? Let's get straight to the solutions. First, identify the connection type, HDMI or DisplayPort. For HDMI, ensure your dock and monitor support HDMI 2.1 for 4K at 60 Hz. If not, try an HDMI 1.4 cable for 1080p resolution. For DisplayPort, verify your dock supports DP 1.4+, especially if using USB-C's DP Alt mode. If you have a multi-monitor setup, ensure MST, multi-stream transport, is enabled in your BIOS. A common culprit is cable quality. Use certified DisplayPort cables to avoid signal loss. Power cycling the dock, unplugging for 30 seconds, then reconnecting, can often resolve temporary glitches. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a primary cause of monitor detection failures with StarTech docking stations. Update your USB controller drivers, such as Intel Thunderbolt or AMD Ryzen USB, via Windows Update or directly from StarTech's website. In Windows Device Manager, locate the USB controllers, uninstall the drivers, then reinstall them by scanning for hardware changes. For macOS users, open System Preferences and navigate to Software Update to install the latest system and driver updates. Ensure your laptop's graphics drivers are current. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience for NVIDIA cards or AMD Radeon software for AMD GPUs, as the dock relies on the host GPU. Access your BIOS settings to verify USB-C charging or display modes. Enable DisplayPort over USB-C if the option is available. If problems persist due to EDID mismatches, reset your display settings in Windows Device Manager to resolve monitor detection issues. For ongoing issues, consult StarTech support forums. Consider their 2025 smart dock models with built-in diagnostics that auto-detect and fix problems, offering 40% faster resolutions through AI.